Hurricane-rated door assemblies are subjected to rigorous tests against high winds and flying debris. To understand how hurricane doors function, it's important to consider design pressure and testing. Design pressure is the positive and negative loads which doors are subjected to during a hurricane. When specifying hurricane doors, safety and quality must be a priority. Specify doors from SDI certified manufacturers for the utmost quality, safety, and reliability. Visit steeldoor.org/hurricane-resistant doors for a list of SDI certified manufacturers of hurricane doors.